Okay, so here we are. We are at Garud Machi and we are looking at this group. The group name is?
Lions.
The Lions. So they are now going to roar. The purpose of recording this is to see that it remains with you as it reaches you through WhatsApp or whatever. Okay, WhatsApp or whatever. That's another software that can come. Whatever. Anyway, on a pleasantly serious note, the topic that we are going to look at is why are we here? Is it just a picnic? No. Maybe picnic, yes, but something more. More than me trying to preempt what you are going to share, let me put the ball in your court and let me ask any one of you to please begin. I hope and I'm sure it will be concise enough that when you also see the video, it will not take too much of your time also.
Right.
Please begin.
So,
You are?
my name is Pranay.
Okay.
And I'm the part of Lion team.
Okay.
So, while we came here, so we have different thoughts about it. And though since yesterday we had lot of discussions and lot of activities here, and now we have discussed on this part that why we are here, and we have now on a conclusion that we have self-realization on this part that why we are here. So, what we found here that we are here to discuss ourselves and others to help realize our potential strengths and areas of development, to achieve team goal and create sense of connect within the team and the organization as a whole,
Very nice.
which will lead a team towards a journey in line with organizational success. So this is the whole we found here. Like ultimately the aim is this, that we have to connect ourselves. We have to connect ourselves within, we have to connect ourselves with the team.
Correct.
And ultimately it should lead towards the success of journey, which ultimately benefit our company.
Correct.
You know.
Correct.
And
Correct.
maybe Chaitanya will elaborate more on this
Yes.
if he wants.
And he's extremely good at being concise also.
Right.
So, yes.
Putting all these thoughts together, the only thing which comes in mind, we have come to such a beautiful place which always gives you a lot of inspiration, motivation, and there is a lot of spirituality filled in. So it gives you another point of view or angle to think about whatever we have been putting here, whatever we have been taking from this place. It should again help us to do what exactly we are trying to do, that is to help discover ourselves
Very good.
and everybody else.
Great.
So
I would
yes.
like to add 2 points to it. So
Sure.
it's why are we here? So I would like to answer in 2 sentences, which is to improve our quality of life, experiencing the nature and relieving the stress within us.
Yes.
And the second thing is to understand ourselves better beyond the professional life, I say. So it's beyond the professional life. We have to understand ourselves better to create togetherness and bonding.
So nice. I'm looking at this as a video, a standard video for all the teams. That's my way of complimenting the clarity with which you have expressed. For me, clarity also through you. This clarity also reflects the kind of conviction, the belief that you built up within you. It's because of that you're speaking so fluently about. Your thoughts are coming out so well.
So
I'm
adding
sure.
to this one, what we as we said that introspection for us. So after introspecting within ourselves, then we want to take this point to our team, which they are in our company.
Correct.
So we will analyze our team, or we can give whatever we learned here to our team.
In fact, if I can just interject, if you don't
Yeah,
mind,
exactly.
is my request is that you should please initiate similar sort of forums,
Yeah.
and I touch your feet to do that.
Right.
Everybody cannot come here.
Right.
You become the facilitator now.
Exactly.
Please, as a leader, facilitating is also an important process, which is what is happening here. You know who's the most important facilitator here?
we ourselves.
Yeah.
Nature.
In a way, nature. We ourselves. But what is even motivating us to facilitate is this environment. Now, when you are in JCB, you may have to create a comfortable environment. It's not probably possible that you bring them here every time. But at least that mode of thinking, please develop. That when you go back for your teams, make a huddle, spend a little bit of time and open them up. Like you said, connect with them on a different level altogether. I think this is really interesting. As far as what you had to cover, have you covered in terms of
Just
speaking?
one more point.
Sure.
The thing is, we all are working as leaders, and we all are working for some teams. Means we are having some teams below, some team members. So the learning from this session, that why we are here, is that we learn to discuss, debate, and to reach at a single goal.
Correct. Good. Anybody? You're the only one who hasn't spoken.
I would like to add the thing that in the nature you can find there are different types of trees, but collectively they are making our environment very happiness, and in the same way we can.
Please, can you clap for him? I love it. This is like this is what nature does.
Exactly. So that we can
What a profound
put same
thought.
time of environment in our work organization, so
Kya baat
that
hai?
each and every people.
I will need half an hour to enjoy this thought, believe me. Just imagine what he said. All trees of different types coming together and then they becoming a collective source of inspiration for all of us. Oh my God. तू है कौन पहले बोल?
My name is Dipesh.
I know. Wow, what a way to end this presentation on a note of on a high note and a note of laughter from the heart. And I could sense the appreciation also. I hope that you'll continue with this. It is in your hands. With that, I thank you very much.
Thank you very much, Mayur Kalbag. And we are very, very, I can say, blessed. I can say now. Blessed to be here with you all the time, and the way that all these thoughts could not have come if you have not given that kind of environment to us.
I hope you understood the importance of liberty and freedom that you're given.
Yes, definitely.
As I keep saying, and I'm saying it on video for the record, I don't believe in syllabus completion, and I don't parameterize life by the quantity of activities, but the quality from few that we bring. As Swami Vivekananda has said, education is not how much you know, it's how well you know. And I think that's what is reflected in your presentation. Thank you very much.
Thank you.